Everyone, welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. In this video we are discussing about the Average Directional Index, ADX. Now go to the indicator section and select the indicator ADX. And use in this video. ADX smoothing, 12. DI length, 16. The Average Directional Index, ADX, is a technical analysis tool that measures the strength of a trend in a financial securities price. Traders use the ADX to help determine whether to take a long or short trade, or if a trade should be made at all. The ADX. Designed by Wells Wilder. The ADX is now used in several markets by technical traders to judge the strength of a trend. The ADX is calculated by adding the differences between the Positive Directional Movement Index, plus DMI, and the Negative Directional Movement Index, DMI, over a given time period. The ADX is typically shown as a line that ranges from 0 to 100. How to interpret it? A rising ADX indicates a strengthening trend, while a falling ADX indicates a weakening trend. A flat ADX indicates a sideways range. The trend can be either up or down, and this is shown by two accompanying indicators, the Negative Directional Indicator, DI, and the Positive Directional Indicator, plus DI. Therefore, the ADX commonly includes three separate lines. These are used to help assess whether a trade should be taken long or short, or if a trade should be taken at all. Life presents each of us with opportunities to alter our destinies. If you're looking to take control of your future, we are here to guide you in seizing those opportunities. Starting with the easier, more accessible wins. On this channel, we delve into technical analysis, options trading including binary and forex trading psychology, and, most crucially, money management. We also explore many topics that you may not have encountered elsewhere. By subscribing to our channel, we assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies. your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel.